the background check. When they complete that, then they'll send you the permit in the mail.
How long does it take?
Pretty much now.
Hey guys. Hi. How you doing there? Doing well. All right. If it jams, you need to hold it so that I can fix it. All right. Okay. Go ahead and step right up.
Ain't no plastic on this gun.
It is hot. Okay. It's hot, so you don't want to touch the barrel, okay? Grab it up underneath there.
Hold on.
Keep your card. Ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm just going to use this.
You gonna shoot?
Okay.
Underneath here, don't touch the top. Okay, ready to go. That was it?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah. It's like the focus is busted.
That grease gun's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, I was only a small thing.
Everything was the important part.
Hey, look through that. Film it. How are you anyway?
I am 20 years younger. I'm 3 times your age.
You're 60? Pretty close. 57.